Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share a project. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sharing a project here in Capcut is kind of tricky because as of the moment, Capcut does not have a direct cloud sharing or project linking features like some other platforms that you might be familiar with. But of course, we're going to explore some ways for us to be able to share the project on your client, or if you're working in a collaborative environment, to your team members. So first off is open the Capcut app on your PC. And then if you wanted to start from scratch and begin your work, just click the create a new project and then share it later. We will show you how. But if you already have an existing project that you are already working, you see there is a three dots icon here. I have like one project, but the thing is right here, if you click the three dots, there isn't much of an option to share it. You only have like upload, rename, duplicate, and of course delete. But we're gonna click that instead. And then we will be forwarded to our project. So there are two ways for you to be able to work with it. Number one option is going to be the easiest way is to export your project as a video file. And of course, and then share it to your preferred platform. So we're going to do both. Number one is going to be click the export option here. Of course, you want to make sure that the file doesn't have any pro elements, so we're gonna cancel this, go back to the element, so we're gonna delete the pro app. You see this effect? I'm gonna undo that. I'm gonna click the export button and I'm going to export this. You have this share project. You see, you can export it to the file directory. All right, let me do that. Now it takes a little while, so that's one way. We're not gonna share it to TikTok or YouTube. We're gonna cancel that. Second option is going to be, I want you to click the do not select any element on your timeline. Instead, select the gray area wherein it will deactivate the playhead. You have an option here that says modify. If you click on it, you would notice that you have an option to import the media to a project location or stay in original location. That means you are copying the files within the project, if that makes sense. So I'm going to copy media to a project and then click the save button. Takes a little while, so we have now that section. The last option is going to be, you see this option right here that says share. All right, you have the option to click the space. You might want to create a space if you haven't already. All right, click on save, copy that link. You see this? Copy invitation link. All right, so what we're going to do now is to share these options using Google Drive. Now I have created a separate folder wherein I'm gonna drag the exported file earlier. Remember that? Now the file has been shared here. Not only that, of course, you can also copy this link right here. You can modify the sharing options. I'm gonna make sure that everyone has this with the link can open the project or the file. I want you to copy that link. All right, copy that link. And then here, of course, go to the Gmail. I'm gonna email my client, or if you're working in a collaborative environment, just send them an email, especially for working with team members. Right here. So I'm gonna add the link. For example, this is going to be the G drive first, right? And then click on the subject. You can also attach a file here using the upload or Google Photos if you want. I'm going to add this here. And then remember the link from Capcut. I'm gonna click this right here. This one, copy that link earlier, and then paste it to the email. Alright, and of course, finally, just click the send button so that you can share the project on Capcut PC. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.